So I went to the bug out pad. I got this CB radio that my grandpa gave me when I was young. My dad's dad. Good man. So anyway, this is a really good low-tech way to see where's the volume? I guess that's it down there. Can you hear that? Looking through the channels, trying to find somebody talking. In the case of emergency, these things can be very helpful. I'm at the bins and I don't have cell phone service, so I'm going to try to contact the trucker and see if he can get on the internet to relay my message. What the hell is this guy talking about? Anyway, that was cool. It's gonna save my life someday.